How to reset end-to-end encrypted chat pin on Messenger. So in order to reset the end-to-end encrypted chat pin on Messenger, you first of all open the Messenger app and then make sure that you have signed in or logged in on your Messenger account. Once done, select the three-line icon at the top left corner of the screen, and from this bar you need to select the gear icon at the top right corner in order to access the settings page. Once you reach on this page, you have to scroll all the way down, and under preferences just select privacy and safety option. Once you are on this section, you need to select end-to-end encrypted chats, which is under the security option, and among these options select message storage. Once you're on this page, you will get the option to reset the pin, which is under the security methods. Simply you have to select the reset pin button and you have to create your pin. Make sure that you make it memorable, and you will need it when you switch to a new device. So you can easily create the 6-digit pin and click on the submit button and reset the end-to-end encrypted chat pin on Messenger. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then do subscribe it and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from our channel.